What's happening, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit. I'm out here just taking a walk right now, thinking and reflecting. And I was thinking about, how a couple of years ago, everything was so different. I'd gotten into an accident. A huge truck on the highway hit my truck. I'm lucky I didn't spin out of control and get freaking killed. I was going, 70, 75 miles per hour. And at the time, I was like, what am I gonna freaking do? I was having panic attacks. I was having anxiety driving around. I was getting burnt out from thrifting over the years. And I just didn't want to make my money reselling, like having to drive to thrift stores and garage sales and consignment stores and pawn shops. And there's nothing wrong with that, right? I'm just sharing my story. I was feeling so burnt out and I was having anxiety and depression. I didn't want to drive around anymore because of the accident. I said to myself, I need to reinvent myself. And the reason I'm making this video is to inspire you. If you're feeling burnt out, if you're feeling like something's got to change in my reselling business, maybe you're tired of selling on eBay. You're just sick and tired of it. Maybe you're tired of going to thrift stores. Maybe you're like me where you got in a car accident, or maybe you're dealing with an injury, or maybe you're disabled and you want to keep reselling. You love reselling, but you're like, I can't do what I've been doing. I need to reinvent myself. I want to make this video to let you know you can absolutely reinvent yourself. And I did it myself. Like I said, I was burnt out. I was having anxiety, depression after the accident. I was tired of thrifting, and I found eBay to Amazon flipping. Now, I'm not here to make this video to say you should do eBay to Amazon flipping. I think you should do what's best for you. But I want to let you know, honestly, sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, if you love reselling, if you enjoy making money, flipping products, and it's something you want to do, but you feel like, man, I got to reinvent myself. I got to figure out a better way. I'm telling you, put your mind to it. There's so many different ways that you can resell and find inventory and even do it from home. There's so many different business models. So I want to make this video to say, don't give up, don't quit, reinvent yourself. It wasn't an accident. It was, I guess, somewhat luck, but I had a gut feeling and an intuition, and I was reflecting and I was taking walks and I was thinking, what have I had success with? How can I have products come to me? What are my goals? What do I like? What don't I like? And I was reflecting, and then I thought about how years ago I did a couple little E2A flips, but everybody told me you couldn't do it and you're gonna get kicked off and there's not enough inventory, and just, chirp, chirp, chirp. Everybody's talking, and you're gonna deal with this too. When you're trying to reinvent yourself, everyone's gonna have an opinion. People are gonna tell you what you should do and what's best for you. You wanna know what? You know what's best for you if you follow your heart. But you gotta think, you gotta reflect, you gotta ask yourself questions. And then you got to take your shot. You got to throw your thoughts and ideas at the wall by taking action and see what works. That's how you reinvent yourself. So just want to make this video, guys. I'm just enjoying the night, but don't quit. Don't give up. Give yourself a chance to succeed. Do your best to reinvent yourself. Try new things. Follow your gut. So with that being said, guys, much love. I appreciate you all.